Hi guys.
Hey.
2:20. Oh, that's Gary. Where's he going?
Shoveling something.
2:22. What's it? 2:13.
2:13:22. We're 9 days away from 2:22:22.
Yes.
That's on a Tuesday.
Ooh. 2:22:20. Wait, yeah, 2:22:22 on a Tuesday.
In Maryland, USA. ឥឡូវនេះពួកខ្ញុំទៅក្រុងមួយទៀត called Mount Airy. So we're traveling to Mount Airy right now, and I figure we're just gonna go ahead and record the landscape of the snowy Maryland. Last night it snowed on us while we were sleeping.
Yeah. Gotta represent the Kamai, huh?
Yes.
Bueno, aquí, gente, estamos ya viajando. Mira el nieve. Anoche recibimos como 3 pulgadas y ya estamos acordándolo para ustedes.
Yes.
Boom! Drop the mic.
A beautiful landscape.
So here we are. We are set for a beautiful white Valentine's Day,
Perfect.
which is tomorrow. So everyone dreams of a white Christmas. We get white Valentine's Day.
Although we have not experienced
True,
white
we
Christmas
have
yet.
not yet had a white Christmas.
But this is our first white Valentine's Day
Yes, I believe it is.
in Maryland.
And Zachary has been blessed with 2 white birthdays.
Yes.
I've been blessed with snow. I'm scooting.
I've been blessed with I've been blessed with no school days on my birthday. Imagine for 13 years.
Well, and now here in Maryland, Danica no longer goes to school on her birthday.
Finally.
In California, it was kind of hit and miss.
It was literally the day of my birthday for like,
Sorry, guys.
I was so sad. It smells like this year started in July.
What do you mean we started in July?
No, California. School
Oh.
started in July.
So this year, California school started in July.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they're getting off in May.
May.
Wow, really?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Wow.
It's like a month.
That's like the
Well,
summer.
at
That's
least
not traditional.
at least Aspire School District is, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what it
Because
is.
all of them are not aligned.
There we go. All right, guys. So we are leaving Westminster, heading towards a city called Mount Airy.
Yep.
It's a little small town. We'll figure we'll go do some businesses over there and take a tour and enjoy the snowy day.
So enjoy. We have this snow here, but tomorrow I think it's supposed to be in the upper 40s. The day after that it's going to be in the 50s. By Wednesday it's going to be, I think, in the 50s again. So this snow is not going to last very long. And not that we can't get snow later on in February or even in March, but we'll dip into freezing temperatures, let's put it that way, but I think this is our last snow until
I really wish
December-ish.
we had more snow, to be honest with you. I think this is very beautiful.
It's glorious, but we didn't really get the opportunity to go play in it. We didn't get to go sledding
Yeah, I wonder why.
because the snow wasn't thick enough. It's not my fault.
It was. There was that one day, there was like 7 inches.
That's
and
when
we
we
were
don't
like,
have the
nope,
van.
Yeah, when we didn't have the van back.
Couldn't done 2 cars.
Maryland definitely has 4 distinct seasons. Here we get to see snow, we get to see what happens when spring comes out, we get to get the heat of summer, then the beautiful color change in fall, and then the brown kind of dead of winter.
And the white.
And the white
The
snow.
magical white.
Yep.
And one thing that I really love about Maryland, at least where we are staying in the countryside, rural area, the traffic. Look at this. Look at this. There's like hardly any traffic at all. One road, one lane road back and forth.
This is a highway. This is a state highway.
Yeah, mainly one road back and forth, one main road, and hardly any traffic.
At 1:30 in the afternoon.
Yes. So for us, life is good because we're not really big into with crowds and people.
Yep.
And this works out. បងប្អូនកន្លែងនេះពួកខ្ញុំនៅជនបទរដ្ឋ Maryland ហើយកន្លែងនេះដល់ពេលជនបទអញ្ចឹងអត់សូវមានមនុស្សមានមនុស្សដែរក៏ប៉ុន្តែអត់សូវមានដូចថាចរាចរណ៍ច្រើនណាមានឡាននៅក្នុងខ្នល់ច្រើនជាពិសេសថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យអញ្ចឹងមានឡានមួយអញ្ចឹងឯងបើកទៅ
Yep.
100 200 300 400 500 600 700 800 900 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 ខ្នល់មួយទៅឡានបន្តិចតិចណាបើសិននៅទីក្រុងមានសម្បូរឡានច្រើនចឹងហើយបាទខ្ញុំហើយនឹងគ្រួសារខ្ញុំជួយចិត្តនៅកន្លែងជនបទមែនទែនបើពេលវាអត់ទៅមានមនុស្សញ៉ៃហើយឡានកកចោលពេញហ្នឹងណា See I think when you cross this light that's Mount Airy
Oh, okay. I guess. Oh, that sign's just.
Yeah see right there that sign right there that's a Mount Airy sign
Welcome to Mount Airy.
I hope we know that we could
Welcome to Mount Airy that's a sign right there so when we cross this light
Then we're
we are in Mount Airy
Mount Airy. There you go.
so we are going to Mount Airy right now This is the countryside, Maryland. Country road. Country road.
Good old John Denver song, right?
Is it okay if I tell what happened?
Oh, look at all those deer out there.
Oh wow! I wish I could take it. Oh,
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them running up the hill.
Can I tell what happened in church? Remember when there was a bunch of geese right next to the deer? And then he was like, look at those deer. And me and Corbin simultaneously said, those aren't deer, are you dumb?
And then you said, you mean all those geese right there? I said, no, all the deer behind the geese. Yes, I do remember that. It was quite amusing.
I wonder who's the dumb one.
And then both you and Corbin are like, oh, I didn't see the deer. I said, yes, I'm pretty confident I can tell the difference between geese and deer. And don't you say a word about, I don't know, you didn't know the difference between a cello and a viola.
I forgot about that. But how did you even do that?
How did I tell the difference between geese and deer? Well, you see, I
No,
saw
how
the
did you-
geese, and then I looked beyond them and saw the deer.
How did you confuse a cello and a viola?
Are they not similar instruments?
No,
Do they don't look the same?
not really.
Really? A
What?
cello doesn't look like a bigger viola that you just play with it standing on the ground instead of holding it like a violin.
Could you imagine
Really? They
holding
don't
a
look the
bass-
same?
could you
Just different
imagine holding
sizes?
a bass cello, but you hold it like a viola?
There it is.
Like, do you think?
Is that a British flag in America?
Do you think
That was a British flag.
Daddy, can Michelle?
It is. Yes, that was a British flag.
Daddy,
Hold on, baby. You never heard the story about why?
Why?
So the guy who owns the house is from Great Britain. And so when he had the property and the house built, they had to pave the access road that went in there. And so since he owned the house where the access and the property that the access road was being put on, he was given the opportunity to name the road.
Right.
And so he of course he named that road Britannia,
Okay.
which is from Britain. Right. So he's got his British flag flying because he's from Great Britain.
Oh, the birds drinking water.
Water.
you know, I could use some water.
You should turn on the budget
It's supposed to rain though.
Can I play D&D today? I've had 3 cookies
Supposed to
and a
rain
dark
today?
work.
It says it's
Thanks,
raining.
man.
No, it's
Let's
supposed to
play
rain on the
D&D.
first day.
Yes.
Well, because we have wind rain, we.
They are.
Yep.
When can I play D&D?
When would we have time, son?
Oh, this is so beautiful.
We should do the back route to Lowe's that we go to. You know,
Yeah.
where all those ponds that we see when we drive by. We need to get fuel for the lighter anyway.
Oh yeah. How's our gas?
Just under half a tank. edit inappropriate comments out when you go live.
Tap and not talk.
Yeah, but that's haven't you ever heard that talks about the risk you run when you do live TV? So,
Tell me that that's all you have on your window. I only have hold off on my window. I have
I know a place we can go.
Once,
I have 8.
once we were driving, and I was on that side of Daddy's car, and then I saw bugs
Oh, no, I
flying.
want to fish here so bad.
It's still there, and you can see the red dots from his blood.
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's still there.
This is so beautiful.
You guys, remember when that eagle was eating the dead thing?
So we're on Gillis Falls
Remember that
Road.
time when a giant bird duke landed on the car? Yes.
That was Danny's favorite moment.
Ugh, it fell in slow motion. How come
Only
at that time?
if you were like 3 seconds sooner.
You would have
You're
picked
on
it up.
Lewis Crash, man.
Yeah, it's cracking
No,
now,
if
guys.
you were 3 seconds sooner, it would have splattered in the middle of the window.
Could you imagine if that landed on?
Could you imagine if that landed on the bill of your baseball cap that you were wearing?
Next activity night, I get to go ice skating. What? Next activity night, I get to go ice skating.
Maybe it's not ice skating, it's roller skating.
Ice skating.
Wait, what's FSY? Something.
Young single adults.
They said,
I said why? FSY?
FSY. Like church related or?
Yeah. Apparently, you like go to McDaniel College or something.
Or is it is it EFY?
No, FSY.
Oh, Fireside Youth, probably. I don't know.
they said ice skating.
They said roller skating.
They said ice skating while we were sitting there.
Yeah, Bailey's like, hey guys, I was wondering if and when you were going to FSY.
Don't know. Don't know what that is.
And it's on Friday.
baby girl? No, we only have, that's enough. We only have that much. Because it's from my mommy's class.
Daddy,
Yeah,
Camp Michelle.
but this would definitely lead to another town called Woodbine.
Are we still in Mount Airy?
I don't know.
I think we're back in Westminster.
I don't know what this would be categorized.
We don't know what town we're in, you guys.
It's either Woodbine, Mount Airy, or Westminster.
Can we
One
go
of the
snow
three.
skating tomorrow?
I don't know if there's going to be enough snow to do that.
It's starting to melt already, baby.
Yeah, it's already
You
heck.
can see the grass out
We should
there.
go immediately. The
You-
moment we get home.
I refuse to turn this down.
Do you see
Yeah.
how? Look, you can already see all the stalks and grass and stuff.
This is all your fault.
I was trying a little earlier with the snow skate, but it wasn't working. In fact, look,
We
this, I
never
think that's
know.
where they live.
Yeah.
Remember last time we went to Gold, and then there was just that like
Huge
8
amount.
deep
Right.
patch of snow.
I know.
I fell.
I know. I stepped in
Yeah. This is like less than an inch.
it. And I almost kicked Daddy in the shins.
Like shit. Remember when I flew off the ramp? Yes.
That was epic.
That hurt so bad. I felt like I broke the bone.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't broke the one. That would have been an emergency. That would have been an ER visit.
Yeah, but I could tell that you just got the wind knocked out of you,
And Mama thought
which
that-
still hurts.
And Mama thought Cheetos was blood.
Yes.
She refused to believe it was
There's a
anything
Cheeto
but
bag
Cheetos.
right next to it.
Yeah, literally Cheetos bag right next to it.
And it was higher on the hill than where you landed.
It was when you were climbing up. It was before the ramp.
You know how to get to Mount Airy from here?
How to get to Mount Airy
No,
from
yeah,
here?
Mount Airy downtown.
I mean, you would have to turn around, but
No. Hey, this is JT right here. This is where we come and get our crab.
I always go
Right.
slow.
This is one of the areas.
Yummy crab place right here, you guys. It's coming up. That's where we come and get our seafood at.
And my snowboard went into it, and I constantly got snow in my
I think we're in Woodbine.
Yeah, we're in Woodbine.
Woodbine now.
I went so far.
We were in Westminster and then we went to Mount Airy and then we drove to Woodbine. Now we are in Woodbine. And that restaurant up ahead is where we get our seafood from.
And they have amazing crab cakes.
Yeah. This is a little small town here. Kalain store នៅខាងផ្សារនៅជារៀងដៃខ្ញុំខាងស្ដាំនេះកន្លែងនេះគឺជាកន្លែងខ្ញុំទិញ calling out.
I could miss the turn, but I turned the wrong way where I was trying to get to, but
Yeah, we're heading home, baby. What is that rattling here?
something in this area.
Daddy wants
Yeah, I'm not totally jelly of this area too, because it's also on one of the busier
Busy,
roads.
yeah.
But Daddy wants to go for
You know how to get home from here?
Yeah.
Best thing about a country lifestyle is that, again, I'm going to repeat myself, no traffic.
A few cars behind us, but yeah.
Aren't we heading away from home?
Yes,
Why?
because we're looking at stuff.
We're going to go home now. We're going home now.
No, we're not.
We're heading home. Daddy's heading home now. You know how to get home, man?
Yeah,
Okay.
Turn around.
I could. That would be one way.
Are we taking a really long way? Of course.
Yes. Who wants to see the same thing twice? That's not fun.
It's faster and better.
Yes, it's more efficient.
Well, you like to walk home.
Yeah, is that more efficient?
No, because it's not fast.
No. Well, you take your more efficient, shorter way on foot, and then we'll go ahead and drive the other way, and we'll see which one's better.
And it's not even
Railroad Xing. Watch for stop vehicles when flashing. Oh. Alright. So this is a squiggly wiggly line of the road.
What do you think of Audis?
Very, very disgusting.
They're opposite of innies.
But what does she like better? Innies or Audis?
I like
Innies.
Innies better. I want her to do the last look at the Innie and then I was just like, that's what's up. Go ahead.
Ooh, we are in Carroll County. We're crossing Carroll County right now, you guys.
Public school?
Carroll County.
Public schools?
Yeah.
See this? That's a trout
There's
stream.
There we go, you guys. There's a stream here.
This is one of the places that Gary took me to go fishing, and we didn't see any fish. But
It's
it's
cold.
well,
Oh, look, there's a bird. Was that a hawk or
I
what is
have
it?
no idea.
Where is the fishy bird thing?
I was looking for fish.
It's a big bird though.
Yeah.
Where is the evil birds?
Landing on
So
the
yeah, you can
branch.
park like right here, and then you just walk up along and look for trout, rainbows and brook. I don't know if this place is stocked, but for having rainbows, it would have had to have been stocked at least once.
Yeah, Carroll County, you guys. We are in Carroll County.
Public school.
And
What I am gonna do is I'm gonna turn around
you're
because
gonna turn around.
this from here, I mean I have to use GPS to get back up into main town, but going back I know the way. But this is one of the places during when the summer comes where you can just come in and you can wade through the creek, through the
Oh,
river.
there's like cars over there. Maybe it's a residential
Yeah.
car.
Why did we come
But
here?
yeah, basically then just park and then you get in the water and just walk down and try to catch fish.
That's where he got you lost.
Oh no. No, that's I always mess up the name. It's either McKeldin or McClendon. I think it's McKeldin. McKeldin National Park is where he got me lost. Where he got us lost.
That water looks pretty nasty.
Yeah, it's dirty. Well, it's because of all the runoff.
Well, you guys, Carroll County.
But that is definitely one of those places that's beautiful and very scenic and awesome. There will be a summertime video from that exact spot. How much you want to bet?
Oh, he's still in Carroll County.
Yes. We just got into Carolina.
Right here.
Yeah, son.
So that was my ticket away.
What?
Do you eat this down?
No.
If you want to.
I mean, you can.
It's all
but,
edible.
Yeah, it's just part of the plan. It's just going to be chewy and
It's not gross.
the main thing is just going to be hard and
It's
chewy.
just hard and chewy.
Some stems taste absolutely amazing. While some stems
Right.
just taste like you want to puke it out.
You can use potato bites as lips.
If we see a store where it's sweet wine curves. There's an American flag right there.
Country and the flag is the blue song.
Ooh! Somebody.
If we weren't going fast enough.
There's no jerks in the country, you guys.
When he passed us, we were actually going about 10 miles above the speed limit too.
maybe he's on the parade. Maybe he has like a wife giving birth or something to a child.
Yeah, you never know.
Someone fell and broke a rib or something. Who
Yep.
knows?
Maybe rushing off for an emergency. You never know.
This is where we have this is where we have a lot of events, like family events, gathering and stuff. It's pretty cool.
We're going to do the Oktoberfest here this year if they have it.
Yeah, why not? Oh no, the snow is melting already. There's like hardly any snow over here. This is the Sykesville downtown we are in right now. We are in Sykesville downtown.
Very quaint little place.
And then up ahead is a firehouse.
Ice cream place.
Ice cream place, yes. And there you
In
go.
fact, it's right there.
This is Sykesville.
And now we're back in Howard County.
We are in Howard County right now.
Yep. And here is, in just a moment, here is River Road.
Where are we going?
We're going home.
We're not.
So here's the other place that Gary showed me to do trout fishing.
This is his town. He grew up in Sykesville.
Yeah, so all down here, see?
All down here.
All down in the river. 'Cause now you know why they call it River Road, right?
Martin is right here. So swing by Martin. Unless you want to. Oh, this
See, you
that's a
park
river.
right there, and then all this whole river is, and this one is the Patapsco River, and it is stocked.
That's the river right there. The river is not deep at all.
Parts of it is.
Yep. Right next to the downtown Sykesville.
Yeah, so you can come down and catch some trout, then go up and get some ice cream, and then head home. Maybe not in that order. You see all these rocks down here? That's where the trout, they love to get in there. Those little overhangs in the banks, fallen pieces of wood.
I have never been on this road before.
Yeah, I've been trying to take you on this road, and every time you said no.
For sure there's a lot. I wonder if there's morale here.
No idea.
Because it's next to the river.
Yes, Corbin? Oh, okay.
Alright, you guys. Yep. We are just got the road to ourselves.
And we just keep on going that way. This little offshoot, the main river comes that way.
The river all around this area. Someone is trying to catch something over here.
Or hiking or
I
whatever.
don't know what hiking. It seemed like they parked there overnight. There we go. អ្នកថាបើមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំដែលឃើញដើមឈើអត់មានស្លឹកឈើហ្នឹងដើមហ្នឹងអត់ស្លាប់ទេបងប្អូនដើមហ្នឹងគឺជាគេមកវារដូវត្រជាក់វាស្លឹកឈើវាជ្រុះអស់ណាដល់ពេលរដូវការរដូវឆាប់ត្រជាក់ហើយបានស្លឹកឈើដុះថ្មីម្ដងទៀតFences make it look extra cute.
Yep.
Squiggly wiggly.
It's a gem of a road, huh?
There we go.
Big old fouls.
Oh, didn't come on the way. Cow farmers and country life. Construction over here, heading towards Elderburg City.
It's been a while since we've been down this way.
Yeah. I think they're expanding the road. I'm assuming.
That's what it looks like.